Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about tradebit.us. Quick disclaimer, this review is based on public information and personal opinion. So TradeBit is marketed as a digital marketplace where you can buy and sell things like repair manuals, music, ebooks, and more. The original site, tradebit.com, has been around a while, but recently, tradebit.us has started popping up too, and that's where things get a bit murky. On the surface, it seems fine, simple design, downloadable products, and some seller tools, but when you start digging through reviews and scam checking forums, the red flags come flying in. Trustpilot has a mixed bag of reviews, but many users complain about outdated or broken links, low quality files, and poor customer support. Some even say they paid a download only to receive nothing at all. Then there's Scam Advisor, which doesn't give TradeBit a glowing score either. It flags the site as suspicious due to things like hidden ownership, lack of transparency, and poor trust indicators. On Reddit and forums like Malware Tips, users warn others to be cautious, especially with listings that look too good to be true. Some have even questioned whether TradeBit is being used to resell stolen or unlicensed content. And let's be real, any platform that lets anyone upload and sell digital goods without solid vetting is just asking for trouble. You might find something useful, or you might download a file that's junk or worse, harmful. So is tradebit.us legit or a scam? It's not an outright scam, but it's definitely risky. There's way too much inconsistency in the content quality, poor support, and a general lack of accountability. If you really need a specific file and you can't find it elsewhere, maybe give it a shot, but proceed with caution. Otherwise, you're probably better off using more trusted digital marketplaces. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.